Hey everyone, I've got 3 more exercises for you. So the first one is some calf raises. So just do it on a flat surface in your house. So you're just going up, nice and controlled, as high as you can on your tiptoes, then control back down. Up, down, up, down. Now if you've got a step in your house, I recommend you use that to make it a little bit harder. So you're starting up nice and tall, and then you're lowering just below that surface, and then back up. Okay, now by using a step, you're just getting a little bit deeper into that soleus muscle in the back of the calf. Next one, we've got a squat. So you're trying to get down nice and low to about 90 degrees. Trying to keep up a bit taller, and then you're going to punch it out. Okay, bring your hands back to the side of your hips and punching down. Okay. To make that a little bit easier, just come up, do your punches from here. If that's still a little bit tricky, come a little higher, punch it out. Okay, last one is some high knees. So you're trying to get up to this position here, using your arms as well, and then you're switching. Okay, and you get a bit faster. Faster. Again, if that's a little bit tricky, just bring your knees this high and slow it down a little bit. Good. Give them a go.
Hi, how are we? So this week I'm going to show you a couple of exercises, sumo squats and lunges. I'll give you a couple of variations on those to make them maybe slightly easier or a little bit more difficult if you want to challenge yourself. But as ever, before you do any of the exercises, please make sure that you get a decent warm-up, get yourself ready to go, and don't just go straight into the activities. That's how we get injured, and then we can put ourselves off doing activities for a little while longer. So the first one we're going to do is sumo squats. So slight difference between that and a normal squat. So when we're doing a sumo squat, our feet are slightly wider apart, just past shoulder width there, as you can see where my shoulders are. My toes are turned out, a little bit of mathematics here for you, 45 degrees, so they're not straight on, 45 degree turn. And when I squat down, I'm going to make sure that my knees follow the line of my toes out the way. So I follow down to there and then back up, and I'll show you that one side on. So feet 45 degrees. I want to make sure I keep my shoulders back and I don't tilt forwards so my backside points out the way. So I want to try and keep the shoulders back as far as I can. Down, knees following the toes to about there, and then push straight back up. If you want to make it a little bit more difficult for yourself, okay, you can go there, you can keep the hands behind the head, shoulders back in that position there. Okay, and we're always pushing the shoulders back, knees follow the toes out, all the way down, and then push all the way up. So see that one again from the side. So we're pushing the elbows all the way back, keeping them back so it's down, and then up. If you want to make it slightly easier for yourself, you can just touch the ground. So feet, again, 45 degrees, knees following the line, I go down, touch the ground, back up. So we don't go down quite as deep. So that's sumo squats. Next one, lunges. So when we're doing lunges, really important that we control the movement. Start with our feet together and we're going to lunge to the side. So I'm going to lunge over. Now the important thing is to find your range of movement. Don't overstep or over lunge. And we certainly don't want to over lunge so our knee, if you can see my knee there, is going past my toe. Okay, we want to get comfortable. So it's step out and then we're going to lunge out and down till my elbow comes to my knee and then it's pushed back up. Okay, to that position there with your lunge. Okay, so step out, not too far, just beyond the shoulder, wherever you're comfortable with your range. Down, keep the technique. I don't want to lean forward. I want to be able to keep myself nice and straight when I do it. I'll show you side on using the other leg. So I step out, keep myself there, elbow to knee, back up. I want to make it a little bit more difficult for myself. When I step out, turn the toe up and keep that leg straight all the way down to the knee, push back up. If I want to make it a little bit easier for myself, then I won't step as far and I just lunge down to there, not going as far, making sure my knee rather doesn't go past my toe, and then I push back up, keeping the shoulders back and up ready to come. So 2 exercises, sumo squats and lunges. Okay, see you soon.